a broken heart. Lord, I come with a humble heart. Take me as I am. Take me as I am. If not be you, wherever day, wherever day. Ooh, if not be you, wherever day, wherever day. I give my life to you, Daddy. I give my life to you. I give my life to you. I give my life to you. Now you be Papa, I worship you. Yeah. Now you be Papa, I worship you.
Hi everyone, welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. If it's your first time of seeing my video, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my video. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion on hot topic to share my wonderful brothers and sisters. To my gallant subscribers that keep coming back to check me out to see what I got to offer, thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May God, you're going out and you're coming in. Thanks for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy keeps me going. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want to give you a hot topic today. This hot topic I want to talk about now, I don't trend for social media for some weeks now. Now they reach my hand and I say, say cyberspace is big way. Video where you don't see last year, if you be saying Nana me as the same, will be breaking news to me. So as I see I decide to share my opinion with you now on the issue, on the matter. What will be this hot topic I want to talk about now? One video where some Nigerians for London come they show one woman as they hold them debts, whether they say a Benin woman, you don't want to pay their salary, they work for the woman a big woman, the woman they hold debt, they hold them many salary, he not pay. They went as far to record the month to show the world, say she get money but she don't want just pay. I don't know whether you don't see the video, but I would like to share around with you now so that you will understand and see from my own point of view when I give my opinion later, so you don't misjudge me. I don't say don't judge in my universe. Judge it makes you human. Judge it makes me know the kind of person you are. Judge it makes me see from your own universe. Please bear with me. Let me hit the video. I will be back.
Yes, you are dead and you are owing. You will be the first to die. You will be the first to die. You will be the first to die. You are all bitches. Your mom is also a bitch. You are all bitches.
Yeah, don't chat shit, bitch. Look at that. Look at that.
Your mom is a bitch, Daddy.
Enter.
Your parents, your grandparents are bitches.
You should have touched my mum. I'd have dragged your head.
I don't need to touch her. What am I touching on her
Well,
body?
your friend did.
She's a dead corpse already. So why would I touch her?
Look at you. Look what you're wearing.
Rich and debtors. Only Bessie. Debtors. That is just the part one. Hello, Instagram, Instablog. Good morning. This is the house of a Nigerian from Edo State, Grace Obawanyi, doing this to a fellow Nigerian. She would employ Nigerians to come and work for her, and the work she will not pay them. That is the first car, is a Lamborghini. Yeah, she's got grown-up children. This is the second car. This is a Jeep. The council will pay her every Wednesday. She will refuse to pay her carers. This is the third one. It's a Benz. This is a Benz. And this is the last one. I don't know the name of this car, unfortunately. She's got 4 cars. She's got children, unruly children. This is what a Nigerian, yes, is doing to a fellow Nigerian in London. In London. They will work so hard and she will refuse to pay them. They will work their ass out. She's got an agency. The name of the agency is Richard Norman. They pay her every Wednesday. She will not pay the staff. She's using that money to buy expensive cars, to buy designer bags, designer shoes. Nigerians, we want you to talk. If this is fair,
let it get to our people.
We want you to see this and tell us if this is fair. People come here, they work their ass out for her. She will not pay. She will not pay. Instead of her to pay, she feels that they are all greedy. All what she wants is all the money to herself. I don't know if she's taking the money to heaven. If she can afford this car, and yet she cannot afford to pay just 3,000 pounds, and she has the money, she has refused to pay. That is the Lamborghini. You can see it there, Nigerians. You can see it there. Just judge if this is good. We are all one from Nigeria. But look at what she's doing. If she's fair.
People are suffering in London.
People are suffering. They work so hard.
As a carer,
she has made it impossible for them to take care of their parents. And yet she has her grown-up kids under her, doing nothing.
My newborn baby. Video,
people will leave everything.
Video, this car number.
This is one of the best. This is one of the people
in Nigeria. See what is happening here in London. What people are suffering. People are suffering. I let my own newborn baby. Video the boy. Video here. That boy.
That's the picture already. We've got enough pictures already. We are putting this on Instagram. Insta-blog, they must. You people, please.
Your people in Nigeria must.
They must see all this before the end of today. Fake. 3,000 pounds, and you have all these cars. You have the money in your account. You have refused to pay. Is this fair? Is this fair on your fellow Nigerian? Is it fair? And you think this is the right way to do things? Is this fair? Is it fair? Is it fair? That is our daughter-in-law I just got now. Is this fair? Is it fair? Nigeria to Nigeria, yes. Is it fair? They will work so hard and you refuse to pay them. Fake lives. Fake.
All right, my wonderful brothers and sisters, you're welcome back to my universe. Thanks for sharing your wonderful time with me. I really appreciate you guys for sharing your time with me. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. So you see the video, you listen to the Nigerians. They say Nigerians, they do this kind of thing to them. They get the money, no one pay, that they live fine life, that they do this, that they do that. I understand their pain. I understand their frustration, with all due respect. So those my sisters, like seriously, I really understand. But there is something I want me, my brothers and sisters, know. Because somebody get expensive car, not make them rich. We Africans, we get this belief, say if you drive big motor, you get money. If you get 3, 4, 5 car for your compound, you get money. That will not be true, my brother. That will not be true, my sister. Especially this our brother we did. You get something where they call finanziamento for Italy. I don't know what they call them for English. Whether na payable, winnable. You go carry motor, tear rubber new chassis, go carry for company. You go they pay every month. Even phone where people they use. So me myself, I don't carry you they pay small just to help you. May you not go steal. Every month you feel they pay €5. Every month you feel they pay €10. Every month you feel they pay €20. As your hand rich. Now so it still be for those cars. Maybe we wait they outside. They look that woman compound. They look the house where she did. They look as she don't build this a fantasy fake world. This a fake life. We all they looking from outside say, this woman gallant oh, this woman get money oh man, I not compare this woman. Not knowing say man, this woman nothing there for I don't know the woman from Adam, not to talk of the Eve. Person where really get money, he not go the whole his staff money. Even though say now Nigeria not be Nigeria, he not go the whole. This man, president of United States, Mr. Donald J. Trump, people they think say get money, people they feel say many money they smell because all his property now so he name 9 day. But they don't know say not be all picture they talk more than 1,000 words. Some people don't know. That's where they that man neck, not be here. That's where they Mr. Donald Trump neck. Of recent now, one sell the Trump tower allegedly. Now so that they talk now so be the rumor where they fly up and down now. Where everybody just know. He won't sell them because the tax is too much. He don't sell one of your property, one of your hotel where they for Washington DC. Where be say man, I don't want to give her the money right now. He not fit pay tax again. But people still they look say God say get many property where he name they he get money there. Not be true. You see all these rich people, my brothers and sisters, sisters, we just dey try small we get money pass them because they live life wey not be their own again. They live to cover that name where they don't create. They carry debt upon debt so that make them no shame, so that make disgrace not come upon them. Believe me, you my brothers and sisters, not get you the bad rich say you get money you not pay your staff. It's not possible. It's not possible. Many people want make the woman sell one of the car to pay his staff. What if the woman never even finish to pay those cars? How you want to sell another person's property once you never finish to pay anything where you carry? Not be your own. They fit come collect them for your hand anytime, any day. That is why people when they buy house for Europe, if they not pay finish, bank will go carry the house back. So make we beg, make we not they put people for where they never reach. I beg you in the name of God. I understand those people pain. How you go work finish, you go say you not go pay. I understand that fact. I understand that pain. I understand. I know how they be pass because you go pay your bills for house. It's really painful.
Lord, I come with a broken heart. Lord, I come with a humble heart. Take me as I am. Take me as I am. If not be you, wherever day, wherever day. I give my life to you, Daddy. I give my life to you.
It's really painful, it's really hot. That woman no fit sell that car because that car she never pay put finish. Like seriously, not be lie. Now payable when a boy for go carry on. One live the fake life where she don't present to many people. Not just be the problem when me see for there. Even if say she don't pay finish, she not go fit drop that life where people don't know how know. She not go fit come they for the same level where me dey now. Make she whether they look as oga or he whether they look like a bros come they for the same level with me. No, they not go fit. They not go fit. And now there, now that pride, now they make them they quit for. Now that pride where they make them they look say, I get past this one. Oh, this one are inferior. Oh, this one are this. I can do anything to them because they not get. Now make God they quick drop them. Now make God they quick punish them. Now make come and they quick serve them the food where they really want. Like one news where I consider watch. I don't forget where I foresee that report. I go post them out more and see my brothers and sisters. Again, one famous Nollywood actress now, Mercy Aigbe, China, publish am for social media, say she be debtor allegedly. Say she not gree pay debt where they hold her. But if una see her for social media, una fit say man, una want be like her. Una go fit say man, she not get problem. Una go fit say man, now she come like get money pass for this world. Not be true. Everybody in a packaging, my brothers and sisters. Not look person to say, oh, if to say na me just be like this person now. You don't know the problem with that person they get. Not wish yourself what God never wish you. Not wish yourself bad because of material things. Like seriously, they don't public come. Everybody don't see. And the fear of social media is the beginning of wisdom. Like seriously, Chinese people don't know now say to draw debt or money now to come social media. So what am I trying to say? Not be everything what we see say glinter, not being be good. Like seriously, especially this social media, fake life too many. Fake life. The time when social media not fair day, packaging for everywhere. Not to talk of now where social media come day. I don't know waiting my brothers and sisters they gain to tell they live fake life. When you don't live the fake life finish, only you go they cry for inside. That one not fair now. It not fair to humanity, my sisters. It not fair to humanity, my brothers. It not fair to any of us. No, stop this thing. I beg una. Now pride and no manner of approach now make that woman, that London woman, I personally believe say na too much pride, too much madam, too much bossy. Now make that woman not come down from her horse. Now make her not come down from this her shoulder, raising of shoulder to talk to this her staff in a plain ground, in a simple language where normal human being they understand, where poor people they understand, where human being where blood they work for a vein, where person where get so go understand. She not fit come down from those ego. she no fit just drop her horse to explain to these people. If to say she drop her pride, if to say she just make these people understand, babe, brother, sister, no be una the reasoner. E no dey. Just admit say e no dey. E no go come public like this. All these people wanna they see so say they too get money, they too dey. Oh, my husband, no be your mates be this one. Oh, my wife, no be your mates, they do all those ones. Now packaging, that's where they their neck, not be here, not be lie, my brothers and sisters. If we all feel just be our real self, believe me, you, peace will reign. Believe me, you, people will stick with their husband, people will stick with their wife. Like seriously, my brothers and sisters, I don't believe say person will get money, he not gonna want pay staff. My beautiful mother, they always they tell me say nobody stingy. Now who not gets nice stingy. If you get, believe me, you not get you the wicked rich. May you not feel just get food cut for who not gets. Now when you not get, now you go to reserve the one where you get to pay your house rent, to pay your bill, to pay your insurance, to pay your daughter. You they cocoa them, they gather them. You know go fit give out of fun. Because anything we make €1 come up for inside money where you they gather, it not go complete again. Now make people know they get. Many people they try, but people they want show to other people say their best is not good enough. My sister, my brother, as you just dey, appreciate yourself, enjoy yourself as it be. Like seriously, a journey of 10 years begins in one step. If God say you will build house, when that time come you will build house. If God say you will marry, when that time come you will marry. If the good spirit say you will graduate, even though you don't old, you will still wear that uniform, you will still wear that NYSC shirt. Not be saying I should bear my man fly. Me I still get time for believe. It no matter whether I use crushes stay wear them. What's important say I wear them. So anything where you determine to do, my brother, just take on slow and steady. Believe me, you, God will see your heart and bless you when that time is really right. But walk towards it in a good way. You will come out with flying colors. You will come out rejoicing. You will come out, come use your experience. They advise other people where just they run follow their shadow. Run follow your shadow, my brothers and sisters. You will run mad. Not be saying I'm my mind. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I know they try. They want to talk say those people not they right to ask for their money. They right to ask for their money because they work put on their money and their sweat and their time. They get the right. But what I want make una understand be say person wey not gets na something they pain. Who not gets na stingy. Omonene any da na be waiting I they try to make una understand. Nobody they get wey no want pay his staff. Now too much pride, too much I too get, too much I too day. Now they make all this disgrace that they come many people body because the first thing where they keep person na pride. Now to put yourself for where God never puts you. Now that one they bring any human being down, any human being and lie. When you lie, you not go remember when you will take on talk true. You not remember when you will talk another lie. When person will sit down for them say, not be so you first tell me the other day. Then your respect don't end for there. Once people don't catch you say you they lie, you are gone, you are finished. That is why I know they like to lie, because if I lie today, tomorrow I will come talk the truth. Then my respect don't finish for there. You know me say I know they lie, I they talk white lie. There is something they call white lie and there is something they call la la. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you don't take this video personal. I hope you stop to the use eye till they look people say they're rich. Those people who say they're rich, believe me, you dead way they their neck. If they tell you, you go bagger, you go run, not be saying I should bear mama fly. Many people they talk and say rich people stingy, rich people don't they give, they no get. Say oh God though. Now that name of it, they drive big car, not be their grace. They no get shishi for nyash. They no get anything. If you say me they give you food, they will give you. If you say me they give you clothes, they will give you. May they give you that cash, they no will give you. No say they stingy, they no get. They no get. That's why they their neck. Not be here. They no get. Now just to they enter that motor where they never pay finish. That house where you go just enter. You go just say, wow, oh, my husband, where you dey where your mates they do. You don't know say go reach spoon where they that house na rent. You don't know say go reach the plate where they that house na payable whenable. Forget. Enjoy that one where your husband fit buy. Enjoy that one where your wife fit buy. Enjoy the one where na two fit buy together. Now own nobody somebody dey come knock for una door say make una come pay una money. Month no dey end make dem come say call or your phone dey ring you don late for payment. E no dey. You go sleep like queen and king for your house. We just dey make ourselves slave because we wan be like another person. I no dey pray make I be like anybody. I dey pray make I better pass anybody wey be my role model. Na my prayer na be that one. I hope you understand say people wey we dey feel say they get money, they no get money in cash. They no get am raw. They no get am. E no dey. They dey go bank go dey use those their assets, those their property, take go dey borrow loan, take go dey borrow money for bank, take do business. Some of them no be dey get that house again o. They just dey live for that house like rent. They dey live for their own house like rent. Bank don carry many houses. They dey pay house rent for their own house because they no fit pay back. Make we remove scales for our eyes. Make we see these people for who they really be. Instead of us to dey try to imitate them. Instead of us to dey pray say, oh God, oh, put me for this position of this woman. Put me for this position of this man. You don't know the position where you dey because your eye just tell you say they get. Because you just reason for your brain say, oh, these people get money. You say, may the good spirit put you for the mess where they dey. Instead of you to pray, say, oh God, reveal my potential to me. God, reveal who I be to me. Oh Lord, show me wetin I fit do. Instead of you to dey pray, make God show you your best side. Make show you how you want to make am. Make it show you wetin you fit do to take help your country. Not be wetin your country will take help you. When you dey think of wetin you want to help your country, believe me, your full community, everybody, many mouth for your country go dey bless you, go dey pray for you, go dey promote your business, go dey share your video, money go dey enter your account bankan. Not be say na shoe bear mama fly, my brothers and sisters. Pray for yourself. Pray to be you. Don't pray to be anybody. Because at the end of the day, sometimes problem what they do now, we they use our mouth till they ask God may put us for the problem. You just see somebody where they drive Ferrari, where they drive Lamborghini, where they drive it's me that good pass, where they drive Joko Sibe, where they drive Ugbazen. You just start to they pray that night. Now what you want your pray. Sometimes some people will even dream say that they drive on that person car. They'll just go, Lord, you will do that person. Oh God, do my own. God, you will do this person. Oh, do my own. To fear kwa. God, you will do that person. You not do my own because I don't know whether na debts. I don't know whether he go keep person take go do one. I don't know whether he go bury him mama take do one. I don't know whether he sell his kidney take do one. Would you they say make God will bless and bless you? Which kind of prayer would they think now? Pray for your own self. Not pray say God will bless and make it bless you because you don't know the kind God will bless. Sometimes we go use our mouth to ask. They say ask it shall be given. We go use our mouth to ask. At the end of the day, it will come be problem for our body. We will come to say, oh God, why me? Oh God, why? But you ask for it now. You ask for it. You don't know the kind God why they serve. You don't know as I take get my Lamborghini. You don't know as I take get the money where I take buy koi where I wear. You don't know where I for see money where I take do my Brazilian hair. You don't know. You don't know whether I sell my kidney. You don't know anything at all. You just dey pray, make God will bless me, make it bless you. He go bless you now, still give you all the OVA. You won't be like somebody, you won't be like celebrity where you don't know whether you get HIV, where you don't know whether you get concosa, where you don't know whether you get emuvam or what. You dey pray, make you be like that person. When God don't answer your prayer, don't give you all the person problem now. You're going to say, oh God, oh as I holy rich, oh God as I serve you rich, oh God why did you do this to me? You ask for it. So be careful, my brothers and sisters. I hope you learn one or two things from this video. I hope you not take them personal. I hope you know just take them personal. If you not agree with me, no problem. Let's disagree to agree. Make me see from your universe so that make I still learn from you. Everybody still they learn. As long we they breathe, as long we they live for this planet, we all still they learn. No matter the age where you dey, we are still learning. Let's disagree to agree, my brothers and sisters. Not let any of my video vex you. If any of my video vex you, it wasn't intentional. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Thank you for sharing your wonderful time with me. This is Sophia Universe, the massive truth. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. Thanks for patronizing me. Continue patronizing me. Don't forget to share my video and don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. In the next video, one love.